All right, what's up, guys? We are here with Meet the Dancers. Let's start with everybody's names. Let's start here.
So I'm Ernie.
Ernie.
Hi, I'm Erica.
Erica, cool. So tell us a little bit about where we are and who you guys are. Let's start with Erica.
Hi, I'm a senior at Christopher High School. That's where we are right now in our choir room. We don't have a dance room right now, but it's our choir room where we're dancing. And I'm a part of the choir here. I'm in cheer and dance, and then I'm also a part of the ASB at the school.
Yes. All right. That's Erica.
I'm Ernie. Like Erica said, we're in the Christopher High School in the choir room. I'm senior class president.
Hey.
Nice. Class president. Yes. Okay. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about our dance experience. You guys actually come from two very different dance experiences. So let's start with Erica.
So I actually started dancing when I was 3. I trained when I was in New York. I'm originally from New York. I trained at the Vanette Studio. I took African, ballet, jazz, and hip hop when I was 2 years old. And then I stopped dancing because my sister stopped doing it, so I stopped doing it. But I still kept that little dance part of me, and I did cheer instead. And so I've been cheering since I was about in 3rd grade, so about 9 years old. And I continued on into high school, and I'm on this school's cheer and dance team.
Wow. So quite a lot of experience.
Yes.
Great. Ernie.
So I've never been in a dance class. One of my cousins has been doing dance for years, and I've seen it. I was like, oh, it's pretty cool. So this is my first time taking dance.
Okay.
Love it.
First time, first semester here at Christopher. Nice, cool. So let's talk a little bit about your dance experience in this class. So with Erica, you've been in class, many different classes, many different styles. Let's talk about what you like best about this class, and also maybe what are some of the struggles. Because a lot of people may think like, oh, because she has so much experience, everything comes easy, because we all have struggles. So maybe you could share that. And while you're doing that, Ernie, you could think about your answers as well, okay?
So even though I've been dancing for so long and like dance is like in my family, it just runs in my family, it's still really hard for me. And honestly, like this class, even though it's like kind of easy for me, it definitely helps me like pinpoint different techniques I need to work on myself. Like just pointing my toes or flexing my toes for a certain move. Like hip hop and jazz are completely different styles, but they work together and it helps me focus on my dancing for school too.
Yeah.
And even so, like it's hard for me to get myself around sometimes, right? Because I'm getting older, right? So like I think like having this class just helps build up my stamina for actually dancing with my team. So
Good. And actually, let's talk about what do you like best about this class so far?
I love dancing with my friends because on my dance team, like I'm with dancers that I've trained for years and years.
Right.
With my friends, like these are my best friends from school, and it's just so much fun. Like getting to know them on like a deeper level where you like when you're like chilling at lunch and then when you're dancing in class, they're completely different settings.
Right.
And it's just so fun being able to like hang out with them in a different setting, So
Definitely.
It definitely connects us more.
Definitely. Ernie.
So my experience has been great so far. It's been a couple classes, great, learning everything.
So we talked about what's one of the struggles in this class. What's one of the harder things, the more difficult
One of the struggles is trying to keep up, but you get through it because everyone's around you, supporting you, telling you to keep going, and that energy like just builds up your like positive mindset to keep learning those new dance moves every time.
How about this? The choreography portion, because one of the biggest thing a lot of beginners is just memorizing all these choreography, So, Erica, you could talk about that. For you, it doesn't seem like it's that big of a deal, but you can still talk about that.
Yeah, honestly, like choreography comes pretty easy to me because I have to like learn a routine, then perform it on Friday. Like Monday and Wednesday, I learn it, and then perform on Friday. But honestly, like just pinpointing certain moves and like connecting them to the next move is like what helps me the most. Just learning it faster. Like if you learn one move, sometimes you learn one move and you learn another move and you don't know how to put them together. It's always great having people around you and asking questions because someone may like Ernie may know a move better than I do. It's just always like leaning on others to help you with that choreography.
Like the choreography, oh my gosh. It's like you won't know it. Like some stuff you're not gonna know off the bat, but like with everyone helping you, Ceech helping you, everything, like you're gonna learn it quick and easy. Like it's not difficult. Like it's something easy. Like everyone's gonna get.
It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah.
Right.
It's a fun form of exercise, honestly. Most fun you can have.
That's right. So let's close with this one, okay? So we said, we know that most people online probably never taken a dance class before because they just maybe the fear, So what is one tip or one advice we want to give to somebody who's never taken a dance class before?
You want to go for it?
Don't go out of your comfort zone. Try something new. That's what I did. It's great. You're gonna thank yourself later for it.
Yeah, I would say just take the leap and like bring a friend along. Like all of our friends here are taking the class, so like just bring a friend with you and don't be afraid to ask for help because you're gonna be so much more lost if you're just trying to stay by yourself and figure it out than like asking for help from other people. So
Exactly.
just take the leap, take that dance class. It's gonna be way more fun than you even imagined.
Excellent. All right, great job, guys. Let's get back to practice. Bye-bye.
Bye.